Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Dear students, today we are going to do very interesting activity, page number 11. Match the vowels of each words with pictures in the given box. First vowel is A. So students, A को A ant and A cake. A apple. So match these words with ant, apple and cake. Second word is E. Key, elephant, bed. So match the E with elephant and bed. थर्ड पिक्चर में देखिए थर्ड वॉवल इज I mean ice cream and I mean ink pot. So match the ink pot and ice cream with I. Fourth vowel is O. O mean orange and ostrich. So match the O with ostrich and O. You mean umbrella and uniform. So match the U with umbrella and uniform. Very good, students. You all do very good. So students, page number 11 की activity complete हुई. So bye bye and see you next.